Hello everyone, welcome back to another embroidery design from TememyEmbro. So it's now Ramadan, and Ramadan Kareem everyone. So for this event, I am digitizing a new Arabian collection. So let's get started. First, just choosing the colors. And as you can see, I already put the border on, because I only wanted to capture the scene here. I didn't want it to be so high, and this is just enough for a great design. I think I will start with the main character here. You know my style. I will start planning the main colors, then clean the path from here, then finally finishing it with details, and that will be the cherry on top of the pie. So I start from here like this. So recently I published more of my old designs to the store site. I am a digitizer. I guess it's have been 5 years now. I have a lot of epic designs, but I only started recording and selling them this year. And yes, I'm sorry. Last week I published a new Freyrin collection, but I was so lazy to record anything. About the new Freyrin collection, I made the same characters, Fern, Stark, Himmel and Freyrin, but now as a cute cat. Man, the Freyrin cats collection is just the best creation I ever made. I will put them on the screen now. See? I told you. This is just cute. And about the old designs, because I have made them long time ago, I don't have any recordings for the process, but I will publish them all on TememyEmbro.com. So I will tell you something. If you guys wanted me to redesign and record any of the old designs, I will be so happy to do that. So check out the store and tell me. Now enough talking about the past. For this new collection, I wanted to capture some beauty of the Arabic culture. This collection will be 3 designs, 2 chest pieces and 1 back piece. And this is taking so long, so King Crimson. So now we finished the character. Let's make the sword. So for the sword, I will use only satin to give that amazing shine when being stitched out. Now for the tricky part, the background. So this background is so tricky. Why? Because of the colors. They are matte, dark, browny, beigey, like that. So it's hard to control these tones. But I am the founder of TememyEmbro. This is easy for me. Now I need for speed. Okay, so what do we have now? Let me see. Oh, wait. I like that. Wait. Yes, exactly. I think this is cool. Now let's continue the background. I forgot to add the tent, so let's delete that. Okay, and split it to okay, so now we can add the tent from here. And the tent is done. Okay, so just let me fix it a little bit. Okay, so now let's add the clouds. I think I will make them gray. Okay, yes. Okay, that's good. Now let's just adjust something. The border here. And remove the underlay. Select it with yes. Remove the underlay. I don't need it. Okay, that's good. And let's make the clouds to Turbantino. Okay, that's nice. Just need to adjust the angle for this one and this one. Wait, yes. Okay, that's nice. So let's add some more clouds under here. Yes, these small ones. Okay, the clouds are done, but let me see. I think I can change the color to nah, another one. Maybe this blue. Yes. Let me see. And that's too much. Okay, let's stick with that. Now let's add the rest of the shadows and the details. At this point, all the shadows are done. I'm just cleaning the baths. So let me see. I need to move this one. Okay. With this one. And I need to move the boots. they? Here it is, the second one, and move it. Okay, yes, that's good. So what do we have now? Let me see. Let's add some bushes and grass. Now let's finish the details of the tree, adding the shadows and the highlight. Okay, this is good. So what do we have next? As usual, move the border all the way down. Okay, so let's add some of these highlighted plants. This will give some glowing to the pattern. Now to the magic touch. Let's add the details and outline with the black thread. You know how much I love this part, but it's usually take a long time. So again, King Crimson. Yeah, baby, I told you it's magic. And now let's add the fire and the highlight touch. Now we are basically done. The design is finished. I don't know why it reminds me of that game. What was the name? I don't know, but now let's check the size and the underlay. So officially done. I cleaned all the bath and add that cute little flag on the tent, and I centered the design and cleaned all the underlay. This design is officially finished. The whole collection will be available soon on TememyEmbro.com, so always stay tuned and don't forget to always check the store for all the designs. And go now to check the new Frieren and Jujutsu Kaisen Demon Slayer new collection just dropped on TememyEmbro.com. So now, peace out.